Hey folks, this is Gene at Harrington's in Aynor, South Carolina. Today we're going to be looking at the Dream. It's a home by Southern Energy. It's a single wide, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go take a look. All right, so walking in. First thing you notice, this is an all sheetrock construction home. Then we got the can lights, got fan and light, double window. These are all low E, single hung windows. The entertainment center built in. And we've got our vents on the ceiling here. So you don't have to worry about where your furniture goes. So it gives you just a little bit more room. This is kind of your dining area here. And then you have a island to also eat at. And then check out this kitchen. That's a gorgeous kitchen. And a double fridge. Range and microwave. Large stainless steel farm sink. You gotta have the window above the sink, I love that. Then we've got our dishwasher and our pantry cabinets. And these are, very deep, can hold a lot of stuff. So it gives you some storage. I'll just turn around here and kind of show you the view from the kitchen. So you got all that open space. When you bring in your furniture, have plenty of room. You can kind of make it what you want. Beautiful home. All right, so let's go into the main bedroom. Nice size. Double window, nice doors. And I'll show you something. They put these little vents on these doors right here. So that way you don't have to cut the doors as high. Okay. Then we go into our main bathroom. Shelves above your soaking tub with 2 beautiful windows, obscure glass. Then we have our vanity, double sink, single mirror hung, another cabinet above the commode. We have our walk-in, trying to get where you can see it, walk-in shower, and then our closet. And it's pretty good sized closet. Let's go back and look on the other side. The utility door, through air handler. Got your door leading to outside. And look at the switches and everything on this house. Everything's just a little bit nicer. Thermostat, that is to help you save energy. You can control it from your phone. So this bedroom's a little bit smaller than the rest. Then we get over here, tucked away is your laundry. Guest bath. And your 3rd bedroom. Check it out one more time. Kitchen and living room are absolutely beautiful. So again, this is Gene with Harrington's in Aynor, South Carolina. If you're interested in coming to look at this home or any other of our models, give me a call or just stop by. We have plenty of models to choose from. We also have literally endless possibilities with our online selections. So give me a call. Be glad to help. Thank you.